Tired of leads disappearing into the black hole of your CRM, never to be seen again? Then get ready to transform your sales process, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to hand out leads from Aisensy to your sales team like a well-oiled machine. First, log into your Aisensy account. You should see your main dashboard displaying all your captured leads. Now, select the lead source you want to distribute. This could be from a specific marketing campaign, website form, or any other integrated source. Click on a relevant campaign or source to view the list of leads. Navigate to the lead distribution settings, usually found under Settings or Automation. Look for options like Automatic Assignment or Lead Routing. Here's where the magic happens. Configure your lead assignment rules. You can distribute leads evenly among your team or assign them based on specific criteria like geography, product interest, or lead score. Make sure each team member is correctly configured in Aisensy with their contact details and assigned skill sets. This ensures leads are matched with the right sales rep. Set up real-time notifications so your sales team gets instantly alerted when a new lead is assigned to them. This can be via email, SMS, or even a dedicated Slack channel. Encourage your team to update the lead status in Aisensy as they progress through the sales cycle. This gives you complete visibility and allows you to track conversion rates. By automating your lead distribution with Aisensy, you'll eliminate delays, ensure timely follow-ups, and ultimately boost your conversion rates. Now go forth and conquer those leads.